you will learn about 3 basic concepts that are primary to understanding finance and are the basis of the entire course. The 3 concepts are income and expenditure, needs and wants, savings and budgeting. Let us listen to a story to help you understand these concepts. This is Mr. Biswas, who lives in a village called Uttam Nagar. Mr. Biswas owns a small tailoring shop. This is his wife, Shikha. Shikha has a garden at home in which she grows vegetables and herbs. She makes some money by selling the vegetables. This is their elder daughter, Priya. Priya is 20 years old. After completing her class 12, Priya has undergone a 1-year training in beauty and wellness and is now employed in a beauty parlor. This is their daughter Gauri. Gauri is a student of class 9 in a local school. Gauri is good at both studies and sports. She is very competitive by nature and loves to take part in tournaments. This is their younger son Akash. Akash is currently studying in class 6. Here you see the grandparents of Priya, Gauri and Akash. They are senior citizens and help the family in small household chores. Income. Of the 7 members of the Biswas family, 3 of them are earning members. Mr. Biswas earns Rs 12,000 per month. Shikha manages to earn Rs 3,000 while Priya earns a salary of Rs 5,000 per month. The other 4 members of the family do not earn any money. Can you calculate the total amount available for the Biswas family's household expenses per month? That's right. Rs 12,000 plus Rs 3,000 plus Rs 5,000 makes Rs 20,000, which is the total amount. This is the income of the Biswas family in 1 month. Expense. Now make a list of all the things where a family spends money on a monthly basis. Very good. Here's a list of things for which the Biswas family spends their income on a monthly basis. Medicines, Rs 2,000. Electricity, Rs 1,800. Monthly ration, Rs 3,500. Sanitary pad, Rs 100. Vegetables, Rs 2,400. Fish and meat, Rs 3,400. Cable charges, Rs 250. Mobile prepaid cards, Rs 650. Tuitions, Rs 1,500. Visiting relatives, Rs 1,000. Eating out, Rs 1,000. Pocket money for children, Rs 400. Insurance premium, Rs 1,000. Total, Rs 19,000. This amount spent on the day-to-day running of the Biswas household is their total expenditure in 1 month. Savings. So far, we saw that the total income of the Biswas family is 20,000 rupees and the total expense is 19,000 rupees. We see that the income is higher than the expenditure. What happens to the extra amount then? This goes as savings. In other words, the difference of income and expenditure can be kept as savings. In this case, Rs 20,000 minus Rs 19,000 makes Rs 1,000. This is the savings of the Biswas family per month. Emergency. All the above expenses are the ones that are expected. However, there might be an unexpected expense during an emergency. For this, it is crucial to have some savings. We saw that the Biswas family manages to save Rs 1,000 per month. Do you think a savings of Rs 1,000 per month is enough during times of emergency? What if Mr. Biswas's parents fall sick and are hospitalized? What if there has been a major damage in the roof of their house due to incessant rains? What if Shikha's vegetables rot due to rains? In such situations, nothing can be achieved through 1,000 rupees. So the answer to the above question is a big no. Then the question is, what can be done to improve the situation? Needs and wants. In order to increase our savings, we should be ready to cut down our expenses. Some expenses are essential and therefore cannot be avoided. But there are others which can be avoided or cut down. In order to understand this better, let us look at the concept of needs and wants. What is a need? Need is a necessity, something that is required, something that is essential for life. For instance, food, clothing, and medicines are essential. Therefore, they are classified as needs. What is a want? Want is a desire, something that is wished for, something that is non-essential. For instance, while food is a need, eating fancy foods like pizza, burger, noodles, and ice cream on a regular basis can be avoided. Similarly, clothing is essential, but buying expensive branded clothes every time can be avoided. Watching movies and eating out is also non-essential. In this table, we have categorized the items as needs and wants. Staple food, regular wear, having a feast at home once in a while, buying when needed, these are needs. Pizza, burger, noodles, ice cream, branded clothes, eating out on a regular basis, compulsive buying, these are wants. It is important to prioritize in life. Sometimes, if an emergency happens, we find ourselves short of cash at the end of the month. It is important to balance income with expenses and even have some money left over for savings and extras. The money saved can be used for some other necessity in life. Let us categorize the expenses of the Biswas family as needs and wants and try to find out how much Mr. Biswas can save in a month. The following are the needs of the Biswas family: medicine, insurance premium, electricity, monthly ration, sanitary pads, vegetables, fish and meat, cable charges, and tuitions. And these are the wants: visiting relatives, eating out, mobile prepaid cards, and pocket money for children. Mind you, mobile expenses, pocket money, eating out are expenses that can always be reduced. Activity. Let us do an activity which will be helpful in understanding the concept of needs and wants better. Imagine that you get 500 rupees as pocket money every month. Prepare a list of how you would like to spend that money. Now divide this list into two parts: essentials and non-essentials. Similarly, there are various situations in life where you can opt for the more essential things and save money that can be used for emergencies or for bigger planned expenses. In the next part of this module, you will learn about the concepts of budgeting and savings as well as the positive effects of a financial literacy program.